Hey everyone, welcome to AI Mastery Hub. I'm excited to share some powerful AI insights with you today. As an AI coach, I've been exploring and implementing AI solutions across various projects, and I'm passionate about helping you boost your productivity and performance using AI tools. Today, I've got some exciting new updates and practical tips based on real-world implementations that I can't wait to share with you. Feel free to drop your questions and comments below. I love hearing about your experiences and use cases too. Let me pull up my presentation to guide us through today's session. Instead of getting too theoretical, I want to focus on practical demonstrations and real examples you can apply right away. Let's start with an interesting case study. Recently, I worked with a team that wanted to integrate AI into their workflow. They had a clear vision, understanding where they currently stand with AI adoption and planning their journey forward. We'll look at this from two perspectives. 1. How teams are currently using AI in their daily work. 2. How we can strategically advance to the next level of AI implementation. The goal here is to help you understand both the current state of AI adoption and the exciting possibilities ahead. Whether you're just starting with AI or looking to level up your existing implementations, this roadmap will help guide your journey. This is definitely the direction technology is heading, and I want to make sure you're well equipped to.